Oh god. Where do I go? Oh, okay, I'm gonna go check the clouds map. Alright, I'm coming out of this map. This map sucks. I wish it wouldn't. Alright, I'm going to a different map. Oh, I just got tagged. Go away from me, bro. Go away from me.
Can you leave the code?
What happened? What happened in clouds? What happened to the girl clouds?
You're a monkey. You're right.
Oh, am I stuck? I thought I was stuck.
Yeah, because you guys are a monkey.
I just got. Oh, I'm stuck.
Well, except
Guys, I know you like me.
Except for blue.
Just don't kiss me, bro. Let me go check if any other maps. If any other maps had. So clouds probably never change. Just a bit. If nothing happened in forest, I'm about to jump down my stairs. Okay, nothing happened in forest.